Okay, hi everyone. So today let's discuss this interesting problem. So it says a simple pendulum is a point mass suspended by a light thread from a fixed point. The particle is displaced towards one side and then released. It makes a small oscillations. Is the motion of such a simple pendulum a pure rotation? If yes, where is the axis of rotation? Fine. So we have a simple pendulum connected by a light thread. Now we take it to one side and release it from here. So what will happen? It will again come back to its mean position, then again go to the other side, then again come back to its mean position, and then again go to the first side. So something like this is oscillatory motion, right? So is this a pure rotation? What is the condition for pure rotation? That at any instant all the points of the body must be moving in a circular path. So you can see we have only one point here because it's a point mass. So we have only one point. We have to check whether this point is moving in a circular path or not. If you check the motion of this pendulum at any instant, it is moving in a circle, right? About this fixed point, means this fixed point is the center of the circle, and this pendulum or this point is moving in a circle. So means sense of rotation will kept on changing. पहले हो सकता है एंटी क्लॉकवाइज जा रहा है, देन अगेन एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन के बाद इट विल कम बैक, मीन्स इसका जो सेंस ऑफ रोटेशन है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. पहले एंटी क्लॉकवाइज था, फिर क्लॉकवाइज हो जाएगा. बट दैट डजंट मैटर, राइट? फॉर प्योर रोटेशन वी जस्ट हैव टू चेक वेदर इट इज़ मूविंग इन अ सर्कल और नॉट. सो यस, दिस पेंडुलम इज मूविंग इन अ सर्कल, एंड वी कैन से ऑल द पॉइंट्स, एक्चुअली एक ही पॉइंट है. So we can say the point is moving in a circular path at any instant. So it's a pure rotation. And what is the axis of rotation? This fixed point, and you have to take axis, right? So that will be perpendicular to this plane and passing through this point. Fixed point means something like this, means perpendicular to this plane and passing through this point. That will be your axis of rotation. So I think you have understood. Let me know if you still have any confusion. Okay, guys, keep working hard. Best of luck. Bye.